Yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.
And no mai hoki mai whānau, and welcome back. 25 minutes left on the clock until our boys' final. Canterbury taking on Hutt Valley. Sorry,
Aubrey Chunga jumping there.
Yeah, two athletes going at it.
And Ikanazio on the bench for a start here. So, Langrel early. Nice look in the corner. Couldn't get it. Rebound. Here's Robertson looking for an opening. Takes it strong to the basket and finishes.
Yeah, Marshall showing his athleticism there as Hutt Valley looking to push the pace.
Just nice little spin move. Here's Robertson. Chunga, early three from him. Looked flat, but knocked it down.
Yeah, great rebound there from Marshall above the rim.
Newton in the open floor. Tongia goes head to head with Chunga. Everyone's a lot younger than me.
It's not Monday Night Social.
Another strong move from Tongia.
Very effective for Tongia.
Robertson hard at the rim. No one willing to step up.
As we see, Langrel is face guarding Robertson.
A lot of shot fake and drive from Hutt Valley.
Yeah, staple of the region, I guess, Wellington. And
look at that, pretty reverse, which was a problem that Canterbury had last night with Waitaha early on. They couldn't keep them in front of them. And Newton gets going with the left hand.
Chunga again finds.
Penha moves it on, spin inside, nice finish at the rim. Rather than any kind of show defense to slow the opposition down, they actually do trap. Nice block from Chunga. Sticks with it though.
Yeah, Radcliffe. Yeah, you kind of need to use your body because he hasn't got the biggest frame, but if you let him jump.
Penha with the lefty on the way to the basket.
Hutt Valley do a great job at handling the pressure. There's just no.
Chunga to the hoop, finding a shooter now. Langrel spins, finds the open man in the corner.
Good answer there.
Robertson, by everyone, gets the roll on the rim. Looking for an opening. Yeah, just move the ball around until they find a little wrinkle. Penha, fade away.
And when they see the opening, they just explode as young Millen. Bullies his way in there. Yeah. As you notice here, Tiatia's in a flat straight denial of Roberts as we see Marshall about to throw it down. Oh, yep. Oh, nice little
Penha, three ball, doesn't get it.
Roadrunner action to get Penha in the corner there.
Robertson to, back to Penha, this one. Good.
Marshall's got a bit of a mismatch down in the post with Penha.
Langrel, this time Thompson's open. This time he gets the result.
Tongia in the downhill, fakes the handoff. Still going.
Working hard inside. Don't know how he did it, but he got there in the end. Will they get the ball back? They do. Langrel just lost the handle on it.
Yeah, Ollie Kirk,
back cut. Great back cut, and the roll. Nice finish from Ikanazio.
He's probably likely he's tipping the ball.
Nice move to the basket. He's got Langrel. There's a little ball screen action. Baseline drive and finish.
As we see the gets action here with Millen getting downhill way too easy.
Nice. Easy bucket in the end. Swainson looks like he's ready to check in. Newton splits the defense, strong to the basket, gets the finish. We're looking at some sort of zone, I think, or a 1-2-2 at the moment with a bit of ball pressure out the top. Stripped by Newton, uses his body well and finishes. Smart. Robertson, however, he does have the three that we thought he had. Here's Tongia, strong to the basket, nice finish.
Looked like he got. Yeah, I think Tongia was coming, but he was a little late. So
that's a tough three ball, fading away, going to the left. Inside, Tonga going strong, goes into the body, and Chunga up to meet him at the top of the 14th floor. Nice drive from Marshall. Langrel to Tongia, and a nice cut here from Swainson. Kick out, Langrel, can he get one to go? He does.
Now these semi-transitions.
Kick out, Langrel, can he go back to back on the threes? He does. They run that action quite a bit actually for man Robertson. What a finish here, Marshall to the basket.
No.
Tongia off to the races. Strong move to the basket, he meets the shot blocker.
What's that? 2-2-1.
Yep.
1-2-2, sorry.
Icanazio down low, trying to spin on Tongia, does so, reverse layup. Tongia goes all the way around everybody, but couldn't get the finish.
That looked like a bit of a boxing one.
Beauchereau, easy finish.
Yeah, Beauchereau's the one defender on Hawani, so we are in a boxing one.
Pull up this time from Langrel, banks it. Rebound, lost. Peniha goes baseline, he's looking to reverse it.
Tough finish from Tia.
Newton now putting pressure at the rim. Attacks the shot blockers, trying to stay.
Great defense there on switching on that. Just
Icanazio will attack the baseline, he does. Spin move, good strong. I think that's where they got to go for a bit.
Now out of bounds. Oh, great find.
Back cut.
He just needed to cut a little earlier.
Icanazio needs to attack, he will. And a finish again.
Little on-ball action.
Langrel, he's just trying to find an opening, and he does.
Great find to Tia open.
Three Tia's.
As we have Langrel, we got a bit of a shake set. DHO back to for a middle on-ball.
Langrel, 3-ball on its way. Simply because it's putting pressure on the shot blocker to stay in the game.
Yeah.
Newton, how does he do that?
He just muscles his...
To Tia, who was not watching the ball. Running the lane.
Got lucky there. Now
and boom! There it is. That's too early. Don't throw it to me yet. Icanazio, yeah, down there.
Normally, you'd say he's, 90% from there on the left hand.
Robertson unloads to Beauchereau, who gets it to Changa, who, lucky, dodged a wee bullet on that one. Changa to the basket. This is the pace.
What are you thinking if you're Coach Costley?
I'm thinking we just need a good, strong finish. And that's it.
There it is.
Straight by the defense. Great pass and easy finish. So that's the risk.
Yeah, great drawing kick there.
Oh, and Millen strips it. This is beautiful. We see a replay of this.
I did like the post up. He was patient, but
you could get that. You could get that a little later, though, couldn't you?
Yeah, Cooper had there on the cut.
12 again, so this is probably a better possession.
Yeah.
And Newton, 3-ball on its way. Look good all the way too. Caught Peniha by surprise. Here's Robertson, hard to the rim and the foul. And Icanazio.
Here we go.
So good patience.
Get through something.
Good patience. Tongia, he's got a road to the hoop. Nice drop-off pass and the finish from Thompson.
Ollie Kerr.
McCoyle is also in. And keep from the handoff. Drive to the basket. No.
Ollie Kerr.
Inside, outside. A 3-ball on its way and good.
At your under-18 Footlocker national champions, Canterbury, they will take the title.
Everybody that I know, yeah, they down with this. Cause they down with this.